Does your toilet flush on its own? This is a problem known as ghost flushing. If your toilet suddenly begins to flush while not being used, the most common culprit is just a leaky flapper. To determine the proper flapper to replace the old one, you can review our video on the different types of flappers here. If you're unsure what type of toilet flapper you need, Korky's Toilet Genius tool is a good resource for determining the correct specialty flapper. Begin by turning off the toilet's water supply. Then flush the toilet and drain the tank of water. Next, detach the flapper chain from the flush lever arm inside the toilet tank. Remove the old flapper from the flush valve. Korky toilet flappers are made with premium, chemical-resistant rubber which can withstand hard water. Install your new Korky flapper by attaching the flapper ears to the tabs on the flush valve. Then reattach the flapper chain to the flush lever arm with minimal slack. Finally, turn your water supply back on and enjoy a smooth running toilet that no longer flushes on its own. Still have questions? Our technical support team is always willing to help.